Hello everyone, welcome to World of Warships. Yep, warships. As you can see, I like warships. So today we're gonna play that game. Well, it is kinda simple, I would say. All you have to do is you should install it. It's a good game. It's a nice game. You see? I like this game. So, either we can capture the base or destroy all the enemy ships.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Every time while going to their base, I either get shot by 1 million torpedoes or 1 million bullets, or I have to stop and fight everyone there. Oh man, I wish I could get all the guns together, because it's a lot. Look at it, I got 12 guns now, see? I added a new hull, that's why. Okay, we can see that. Oh, there's another one there. Oh, and there are more ships. Oh, that is tiny. Not a big target, but let's hit it. Let's see. Come on. No, alright. Wait. Why are the destroyer ships so fast? This is what I don't like about them. They're so fast. Miss. Oh, never mind. I see a cruiser. No problem. Stop. Yeah, I forgot to stop. Yeah, I already see that cruiser. That's the one you're talking about.
Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes to starboard.
My mind is confused. Oh, is this? Oh, shit. I know he's gonna crash into me. Wait, no, please, no, please, no. Come on, come on, come on. What? Come on, guns. Come on, guns. Slowly aim. Slowly aim. I got it. Let's aim at his hull. Is he reversing? Oh, she's stopping. He's stopping. Wow, sad life, man. You can't stop. You can't stop. If you stop, you lose. Actually, he got quite a lot of health. So I might want to take back what I just said. Maybe. But I'm not confirming that yet. You keep missing, man. Yeah, keep on missing. Go ahead. You got bad aiming. I'm not even moving and you're missing. How is that possible? Oh. Did that guy just ram me? What? I think he just did. Oh, never mind. That was someone else, right? Never mind. This is just, So that's gonna be the end of this short video of World of Warships. I just wanted to, give you a little peek on, what a few games I'm playing. Don't worry, there'll be more videos about this. Just like and subscribe. Bye. That's the end of this video.